going over this really cool bridge in the Baytown area. I'm dropping into Baytown on my way to check out Umbrella Alley on this Dad solo adventure. Hey everybody, this is Dad from Ray and Dad, and today I'm on another solo adventure. I'm down in the Baytown, Texas area, where I'm going to go check out some of the art down here, including a place called Umbrella Alley, which is considered this unique and unusual art exhibit, where somebody put up, I don't know, hundreds of umbrellas inside this alley here in the downtown area. So come join me and explore. Like so many of these old town areas in Texas, this is the Old Town Main Street. I'm going to stop here at this corner. They have all their Christmas decorations up for the year. I'm going to stop here, I'm going to turn around, and you'll see there's their town square. And in their town square, they're putting up a big Christmas tree. That's a big Christmas tree. That thing's got to be like 30, 40 feet tall. And then if I look down the street farther, you'll see people driving up and down, but it looks like a classic old Main Street, something you could see in a, you know, along a movie set from one of these 1950s or 60s movies. Oh, it's quite quaint. A lot of cute Christmas decorations are out as well. Let's go check out this Umbrella Alley. Right, so I've arrived at Umbrella Alley, and sure enough, there are a lot of umbrellas in this alley and a lot of really neat artwork. Let's go ahead and take a look. Walk down through the middle of Umbrella Alley. One of the really neat things about this too is the designs of the shadows on the ground. It's artistic in itself. This is amazing. Definitely worth a visit if you're in the Baytown area. There's murals all over here, which are really neat. And of course the best part is there's umbrellas. I really want to come here on a day when it's raining and watch the rain come down on these umbrellas. But there has to be, I don't know how many umbrellas are in here. There's people down there at the end for scale. You can see the folks down there, but this is really cool and super unique. I love it. It's still in the alley. See all the umbrellas up here to come take a look at all the artwork. Oh, roseate spoonbill. Oh, it's really beautiful. There's the Baytown tree sign. Oh, look at this owl with the moon. Oh, that's so neat. So not only do you have the umbrellas, but you have other artwork. I'm going to come up here and turn around so you guys can look down the alley as well and see the people. Yeah, I wonder how long it took somebody to do this. I haven't seen any signs about who the artist is or artists, because there's a lot of murals here as well, but I'll keep looking for one. Alligator. Oh, the alligator. Here's Texas. And that's where we're at in Texas. So we're in the southeastern corner of Texas. Once again in Baytown. Alright, so continue to look at all the umbrellas up here. Definitely somewhere I'll need to bring Ray back to since she's not with me for this trip. Oh, it's not quite a Ray and Dad adventure without Ray, but this is a neat find. Wow. Thank you all for joining me today in Umbrella Alley. So hope you enjoy. If you enjoy our videos, please like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell for notifications. And as Ray always says, make sure to enjoy.